Hey guys, it's your girl Pink Pond Princess. I am back on the lake again. I'm down here in Franklin, Georgia on the Chattahoochee. I'm actually fishing in another location on the Chattahoochee. So hopefully we'll have some good fish today. Some striper bass, some catfish, crappie. We fishing for them all. Just tune in. All right, we stopped by the bait store. We got some night crawlers. I can't stand these worms. They so big and juicy. Yeah. That's a part of fishing now. And we got some chicken liver from Piggly Wiggly. Let me show y'all how this looks. I'm trying to be careful so I won't splash juice all over me. Be stinking. This the liver. And all you do is just cut a little piece off, and then we'll put it on a hook, and then we usually thread it with fishing line around it so it'll stay on there tight, so when the fish grab it, it'll still be attached to the hook. And we got us some little minnows in here, and they ready to go. Look at these little things. Little feisty little thing. Well, I lost one. Get back in here. But yep, that's what we're doing today. It's gonna be a good day. We got the double rig. We put a minnow at the top and chicken liver at the bottom. See what we can come up with. Sorry, little guy. Dang it, I think I forgot my string. First cast, I'm just do a straight chicken on the hook. All right, let's go fishing. Is it still going out? I gotta get my bail. Y'all, I heard the southern bell. It was a tap, but we need a hit. I ain't gonna mess with it yet. Gotta be patient. It would have been like 2-3 minutes. Just about a minute. Already getting a bite. That's what you want. I got hung over there, so whoops. Damn, throwing this tree. Y'all didn't see that. That's one of my bloopers. We keep getting hung over here. There's a lot of trees, stumps. So I think we're gonna move locations. Can't catch fish if you're getting hung. I did get a bite though. sun coming out. Look how nice this river look. Nice and calm. A nice Sunday. Come out and fish. It's heavy.
Yeah, that's what it's heavy. That way you can pull your thigh.
Okay. I feel like I'm deep sea fishing. Yeah. You out there like in the middle, so if something hit this, it ain't gonna. It's gonna be big. Y'all, we. Hold on, I'm trying not to reel too fast.
Oh, you got 80 pound test, you good.
Y'all, that thing hit the fire. That reel. You just said that. Look at that. That's probably a 2.5, 3 pound caddy.
We found out. Yep.
First catch of the day, y'all. This might be the one that hit my line. Ooh, you look good and full too. You're a fat little mama.
Yeah, that's 80 pound test.
I see. I was trying not to reel too fast because I didn't know. And when he hit it, I didn't feel him, and then he came back.
That's 80 pounds.
Dang it! Why I had to catch a fish? This your line.
It's fine. It's your show.
Yeah. First catch. It wasn't with my reel. It was with what is it? Arbor Garcia. Yep, Arbor Garcia reel. Bait caster. That's all right. I'm gonna put mine back out there. What we working with? 3.11, y'all. Do you see that? Oh, hold on. 3.11. Yay! Got that 80 pound test on him. He wasn't going nowhere but in the skillet. Yeah! Whew. Ain't nothing like catching some fish. I love it. Now my heart racing. It's that surprise attack. And that's what he did. Fresh chicken thighs. And then we put strawberry jelly on it. I'm telling y'all gotta try this. I had this in one of my previous videos, but we didn't do anything with it, but we brought them in today with it. All you do is just buy some chicken thighs and cut it up, and then just pour the jello, the dry jello, in the bag, mix it up, let it sit. All she wrote. That's all you need. I gotta catch me one on my reel, y'all. That catch don't count in my book. This is the most disgusting thing, but that's a part of fishing. The wind is picking up out here. I think it's about to rain on us. I had to go put my jacket on, y'all. But yeah, this is old little park in Franklin, Georgia. Right here after Chattahoochee. It's an old little baseball park. Y'all can see it. Got a little playground. That's what we actually just came from, through that way. We went to the back of the park. And so we lost a lot of money. We kept getting hung on the tree stumps. We might have to go to that other spot. I don't like not catching fish, just sitting down. That ain't for me. It's relaxing, but I still want to catch some fish. I like to get up and walk around too. especially with all this space out here. Why not? Get your little exercise. I got my bells on my reel, so if it go off, I can just run over there and get it. Keep the girl in shape. There's nobody out here. We're the only people out here fishing. It's our little secret spot. The less the better. Just tell you how old the park is. Look at the picnic, the little benches. They have little picnic tables over there. Might go up there by the bridge, but we might just go to that other location that we want to go to. See if we can bring them in. Cause right now it ain't happening. I got excited twice. Got a bite, then I got home, and then we caught the catfish on his reel, on Rambo reel. Ooh, I'm out of shape. I'm breathing hard. I had to do some more exercise. What's going on? Look how strong the current is. The reel just bending. Y'all see the cattle over here? Alright guys, we're at another location down here in Franklin County. It's actually a campsite, a hidden campsite that they're actually building. A lot of people don't know about it, but a guy told us that the Piggly Wiggly about it, and they said that they've been tearing them striped bass up over here, so what we can do. And your girl like camping, so they build it up. I might have to come out here. I'll show y'all the water when I get back over there. I was about to go to the bathroom, the women's bathroom now. And look, can y'all see that big spider? I don't play around with that. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera. That thing is huge. Alright, it's about time for me to go get something to eat. I think I'm gonna go get me some Asian food today. I'm feeling like some pho. I like going to, it's a restaurant downtown Atlanta called Pho King. Pho King. It's an Asian pho place. You guys have to check that out. But that's what's gonna be for dinner tonight. And I can't wait to eat it. It's pretty much like it's a rice noodle bowl with beef broth. Then you can get basil leaves, onions, and then you can put whatever meat you want in it. I usually get meatball, and you can get shrimp. I think it's steak. They used to have, I think it was round steak. They have a vegetarian pho broth as well. If you guys are vegetarian, but if you want to try something different, try Pho King. It's P-H-O King. 2 words. Awesome food. I'm very adventurous, so if it's coming to being outside on the outdoors, or when I'm eating, I like to try different things. I'm a country girl, but this country girl like to be adventurous. I'm not afraid of trying new stuff, so that's on the menu for tonight. So I'll probably stop by there on the way in, going home, and pick some up. Maybe get me some egg rolls as well. And it's gonna be a wrap. Go home, kick my feet up, relax. look at some football, maybe. Probably watch a movie. I don't even know if the Falcons played today. I'm really not into football this year anyway, because with the corona, it's not the same. And plus, we're not playing that great. So hey, if I miss the game, it's okay. I'd rather be out here enjoying nature. I'm hoping I can go camping soon so you guys can see that. I've went camping once before. It was sometime last year. So maybe I'll try it again this year. It's cooling off, so this is the perfect time to go and find maybe a campsite where I can fish as well and go on the hiking trail. So I'll film all of that so you guys can see. All right, guys, I am closing this out. It's been a wrap. We landed one 3-pounder. I think it was 3 pounds, 11 ounces catfish, and that was it. We got a couple other bites, but hey, some days it's like that. It's kind of cool. You know, it warmed up a little bit earlier, but now it's getting kind of cool, and it was real windy, so I think that kind of affected us. But hey, sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. I don't care. I'm gonna be back out here again. But it's a wrap. Please, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video, I'm sorry, it was a bug. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube if you have not. There will be plenty more other videos, and we're out. Please.